Mama, Dada, and I just got this cage a couple of days ago. It's not new. Cleaned it last night. Look what they did already. And the cage, it slid up like a normal cage. It slid up like this. But I didn't like that because obviously it gets stuck like that. So I loosened these little things and now just pop open like that. And that's my male cockatiel. I don't know why he's so scared of me, but he is. At first he used to always bite me, but okay. So now he's back to himself. Nope, he's gone. He's gone. I have no idea why he's so afraid of me. Water, food, which I need to fill up with it. Just fill the water up. Perch. Supposed to use this as a ladder. Don't really use it that much. This green string, just for stability for this thing. This wood, I mean it's not wood, it's plastic. It's supposed to represent a tree branch. Just plastic. Mirror. Some beads. Yep. Need to be clean. And as you just saw, that's my nest box, which I will show you again. That's my mommy. That's mommy. There's two babies. And there are 2 eggs, but I don't think those eggs are hatching. That's the food bowl that goes in here for them to feed so they won't leave. And I have no idea what's in it actually. I didn't get a chance to get food. I got this from my cousin across the street with her parakeet. And I have no idea what this is. Oops. Dropped some. The blue and green little things in there. There you go, a better shot of the baby. Put this back. There you go. And it's crop full. I don't really want to touch him, but oh, there you go. He has not opened his eyes yet. Neither of them, and I don't think those 2 eggs are going to hatch. But Mama, Dada, cage, and last Sunday I got a parakeet. There he is. And that's little Alistair. But bye-bye. And I decided that I think I'm going to name them Ontario or Terrio, which is this girl in my school. Look at the little face. Oops, you can't see it, so I flash him. Adjusting. Mama Phoenix. Papa Mike. Bye-bye.